you are new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. What's good? What's up? What it do to all my current subscribers?
What it is? What's up? What's up?
Y'all know that y'all cousins, so what's good, family? Now, I love this texture. It's more natural, it's more thick, and it has a little frizz to it, but I tried to tame it by flat ironing it. I love this texture just because it's more natural. It's not silky where you can look at a girl and be like, oh, she wearing a wig. But I feel like with this texture, it's more natural because I'm black, so I need my hair to kind of match what I got going on here. It's not too dark brown. I love that about the hair. So stay tuned to see how I apply this wig and how I lay it.
But I feel so good. I feel so good.
So here are my supplies. Everything will be listed in the description box below for your purchase so you can achieve a flawless lace front wig, 360 wig, frontal wig, okay? Okay. So I just want to show you guys the before of my construction of the wig. I just want to show you guys how the wig looks out of the box. It literally was constructed pretty good. I don't have any complaints about the wig itself. I like the quality. I thought I got a bang for my buck. I bought this wig with my own coin from YSwigs. Then I began bleaching the knots. The knots bleached really quickly, maybe in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, everything was bleached, and I'm happy with that. So after rinsing off the bleach and everything, I'm molding my own hair. So after I get my nude wig cap on my head, the wig actually came with 2 nude wig caps. I'm going to use my Got To Be Frizz spray on my hairline, and I'm just using my hand to pretty much motion it and guide it to where I want the glue to be. Now this is a very tedious process. Okay, this literally took me like an hour to do, just this process. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is a very tedious process, like I've said before. You wanna cut off little by little because it's not really a lot of room for error. This is gonna be your fake hairline. You want it to be smooth. You want everything to look like it's professional. So I advise you again to watch Blancos. I don't know how to say her name. Watch her video. It's very simple. It's to the point. It's like really no room for error if you watch her video. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing this process. Literally it took me an hour, but I sped up through it so you guys don't have to watch me do the whole thing, but you pretty much get a gist of how to do it. Now that I perfected my hairline and my hairline is nice and neat, I'm going to use the Got To Be gel to actually apply the wig on. I'm just applying this gel on the hairline so I can apply the wig on top of the gel. Now, people like using the gel instead of the spray to apply the actual wig because it's more precise and really it's less messier. You don't have to really worry about the spray getting in your face and dripping, and it's just less time, less hectic.
Me with your love, with you I have no say. Girl, you open me, I'm wide open, and I'm doing things I never do. But I feel so good, I feel so good. Why'd it take so long, me find you? This is my story, and I'm telling you, it's not fiction.
So when it comes to actually trying to dry this hair, you want to really try to use a rat tooth comb and a blow dryer. That way the hair is not glued down together with the scalp. This makes it so much more realistic. Also, when it comes to parting your hair, you don't really have to worry about the hair being glued in chunks down. It's just more easier. It's literally so realistic. I'm just going to French braid this side of my hair down. So this is my first time actually like laying my wig down quality wise. Like it's just less messier, it's less difficult, and I just found this way to be so easy. No, I'm not professional. This is my first time actually making a wig look good. My wigs in the past have been so petty that I have to literally lay one side in my face so you don't see it. And you can never, I never ever show my hairline, the whole hairline, like hair going back. I've never done that before. So I think that this is the best wig that I've ever constructed myself, laid myself. So check out Blanco. Winter's video on YouTube. I'm gonna insert a little like clip of it right here.
Pretty much I do my frontals, my own frontals here and there, not too often.
Just really did it so simplified and it just made sense. Now, of course, I'm a beginner, so it took me literally like an hour on one like section of the video. It took me a minute. So we're gonna start with the back. So I'm gonna use my 4 little clips and section everything off into like 3 sections. For the back, I'm just gonna put some bobby pins in it to keep it looking right. Finesse, okay? I heard this method was called the chase and pull. Now I got my flat iron on about a 20, but it's really like, it's really not hot. And this is 18 inches, but it goes under my chest. So I feel like this is like long. I'm a short person, so 18 inches on me kind of look like 20 inches. In my opinion, I could be wrong, but like, can you see? This is going right here. And this is under my chest. And my hip is right here. So this is my hip, this is under my boob. Like, this hair is pretty long. So I'm gonna continue to just flat iron my hair and try to get it as straight as possible. When I get to the very top of my head, I'm gonna come back on camera because I know y'all don't wanna see me flat ironing all of this hair and it's long. It's gonna take a minute, okay?
I'm so in love, so deep in love. You made my life complete. You are so sweet, no one competes. Glad you came into my life. You blind me with your love, with you I have no sign.
So I'm gonna put a head wrap on so my hair can get flat.
Hold on, be strong. He'll fight your battle. He'll fight your battle.
Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And oh, hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.